Hello and welcome to video number 7. We're going to talk about the Facebook tracking code, which is known as the Facebook pixel. This code is very important. It's not just a code that you place on your website, but this piece of code can track everything that goes on in your funnel, from people landing on your landing page, your opt-in page, to subscribing, to your thank you page, to your add to cart, to your purchase page, your thank you page, and all of that. And what it allows you to do is it allows Facebook to figure out who your ideal customer is. Now, obviously, you need to do what we call training the pixel first and foremost, which basically means that you are telling it, based on the data that you're sending it, who's a customer, who's not a customer, and how Facebook is able to go throughout its database to find the customers. So the pixel is very powerful. It can do many different things, more than what we just talked about. But let's dive in and let's show you what it's all about. Okay, so to create a Facebook pixel, all you need to do is simply go to business.facebook.com, log in, and up at the top, click the menu, and this will drop down. And then you'll want to click on All Tools, or put your mouse over this and click on Pixels. Once you've done that, you will reach this page. And this page will show you all of your Facebook pixels. Bear in mind that you can create as many pixels as you want, but for the sake of this example, we'll just create one pixel. So what you need to do is when it says Add New Data Source, click this here. And also keep in mind that Facebook changes their user interface a lot of times, like every single week. So what you want to do is, if it does change, look for the Facebook pixel creation. So we're going to click on Add New Data Source, click on Facebook Pixel. And the next thing we'll do is click on Pixel Name. So we'll call this Scuba Diving Pixel. You can enter their website URL if you want to, but you don't have to. It's optional. Click Create. And Facebook will create the pixel. Now it's time to get the pixel. So Facebook is going to give you different options. You can connect to a specific partner platform if you want to just go ahead and install it there. But for the most part, you're probably not going to be using this. So you want to manually install the pixel code yourself. You can email the instructions to a developer if you have one, but if you don't, click this one here right here. So now it's going to say locate the header code for your website. And up at the top, when you're editing your HTML or you're using something like lead pages or ClickFunnels or another landing page builder, you want to enter the script in the head code. So this is going to be the pixel right here. So we're going to click this here and it immediately copies it and we click continue. Now Facebook has what we call events. And what events are basically parts of your funnel. You can tell it, okay, if somebody lands on your first page, you can call it a lead. If somebody fills in their email and their name to get perhaps a lead magnet or a freebie, you can send them to the next page, which could be the thank you page. So what events allow you to do is it allows you to track everything through the funnel. But in order to get that to work, you need to insert the pixel into your HTML or your website page. Now, to give you a good idea of the events, if you go here, it'll give you some ideas of different events that you can track. So you can track view content, search, add to cart. So if somebody adds an item to the cart, you can add the pixel code on the cart page so that you can track that data. You can track the purchase. So if you click that, you can see it gives you the script code right here and tells you how to track it. So the script code is FBQ track and then the word purchase. Now you're going to see a pattern here. If you take a look at subscribe, for example, it says FBQ track subscribe. So basically the second word here is replaced by that particular event. So we can scroll back to the top here, view content. That's FBQ, and the second word is just view content. So all you need to do is simply add that to your pixel code. Okay, so we're not going to dive too much into this. We're going to move to the next video and show you how to set up your ads. Hello and welcome to video number 8. Let's talk about ad campaigns and how to set them up and all of that. Okay, so to get to Facebook Ads Manager, up at the top, click on the menu, click on Ads Manager, and you'll get this page. And you'll want to click on campaigns if it doesn't go there immediately. The next thing you want to do is simply click the green Create button, like so. And here we go. So we have campaign, and the campaign specifies the objective. The ad set specifies the specific page, the audience, basically who you're trying to target. And then of course the ad is going to be the creative ad, the images, the text, the headline, and all of that. So the campaign is this video. So most of you are going to be using traffic or engagement. You're not going to use app installs unless you have an app. You won't use video views unless you have a video. And then we've got messages, lead generation, brand awareness, and reach. So knowing your objective is key. If you click on traffic, you're going to see that you can target conversions. Now, conversions can be anything from a purchase where somebody pays money versus something like a lead where somebody fills in their email and their name and they give you something so that you give them a lead magnet or a freebie in exchange. So that can be conversions. And then of course, engagement can be in the form of a post engagement. So if you want stuff like comments, shares, likes to a specific post, you would choose that and click on continue. Or if you want to grow your Facebook fan page and get more page likes, you would click this one right here. Now, for the sake of showing you how to set up a Facebook ad to the fullest extent, we're going to be using traffic and conversions. So we're going to click that. You want to name the campaign to something that's generic or general to whatever you're promoting. Don't worry about any of these for now. These are more advanced. Click continue. And there we go. So campaign's easy. It's merely setting the objective and that's it. The next step is the ad set, which is going to be the targeting, essentially who you're targeting. And that's why we did all the demographic research beforehand. So now we can enter that in here. So with that said, let's move on to the next video.